Hi, hello, good afternoon.
Welcome dito sa hapagkainan. Aurora from Valenzuela. Let's eat. And my ulam today is pritong hasa-hasa po yata ito. Tomatoes. Yung tosino kahapon na natira. And this is it. May pagkain today. At happy Tuesday to all of you. And this is the part of Aurora's my everyday routine life. At ito nga, ang kumain ngayon. So thank you so much and for my today's video too. Ngayong araw na to, di ba? Updated for today. So thank you so much for all your support sa mga Mamsicles, Popsicles, Kalodi at mga ka-auras. Thank you so much. At ang sarap talaga ng isda. Nag-twisted pa siya ng tusino na nag-aagaw yung alat ng isda at saka tamis ng tusino. So masarap talaga siya. Share ko lang sa inyo. So thank you so much. Hanggang dito na lang muna. Aurora says, thank you so much for all your support. Bye-bye, Manchicles, Popsicles, Kalod at mga ka-auras. Thank you for all of your support. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.